stay true, felt content with life. Now I'm met with strife, trying to stay and fight, but them blows hit my soul, and I can't do it no more. Can't complain, shit been tame. Right now I don't hate myself, tomorrow it won't feel the same. That shit really lame, shit feels like a stain. Ain't no water that can wash my pain. On the low, already know these feelings I cannot control. It's okay, I'm all good, as long as I'm understood. Ain't no need for sympathy, just accept me for who I be. Ain't no fighting with myself, pride done got me out my health. Can't even keep up with lies, you can see it in my eyes.
It don't matter how you feel, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It don't matter how you feel, long as you keep it real. It's a good thing. It don't matter how you feel, long as you keep it real. It's a good thing. It don't matter how you feel, long as you keep it real. It's a good thing.
I've been swinging high, swinging low. New bottom I ain't seen before. Keep it real with you, I ain't used to being this exposed like a centerfold. New face with the price on it. They don't care what it's hitting for, like my face with some shine on it. The shine been blue, it's been gone. They don't care where your feelings at. Hold strong, keep it intact. They don't know where I've been at, but I've been gone away trying to find myself. When I'm by myself, I design my